Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the person's full name and the organization they work for. This narrows patterns and reduces false positives. Once done, open LinkedIn and your browser. Search the company page and role listings to confirm spelling and department. Make sure to note any usernames, social handles, or public bios. These often mirror email formats. Use a simple note app to record variations so you can test them systematically. This speeds validation in the next step. Now you create candidate addresses by applying common company patterns to the name. Do this in a spreadsheet so you can track results. Once you have a list, use free mailbox verification tools or the company's careers/contact pages to test deliverability or existence. Meanwhile, search engines with quotes and site-specific operators can reveal emails on press releases, team pages, or PDF. When you spot a match, cross-check it across multiple sources to avoid mistaken matches. Finish by confirming the best candidate. Send a brief, professional message that won't expose sensitive data, or use a contact form that routes to the right person. If the email bounces or you get no response, systematically try the next likely pattern and consider calling the company's main line to ask for the correct address. If things still fail, check Whois and MX records to confirm the domain's mail setup, and clear cached search results before repeating. This solves many false negatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.